It's a Stitch Fix day. Look at these beautiful fall colors. I asked my stylist for a complete outfit. Now there's no handbag, doesn't look like, well, there might be jewelry in here. 1, 2, 3, well, 4. I don't know. For a full outfit, there's no shoes, no handbag. I don't know if there's jewelry in here. Nope, looks like it's all closed. So let's take a look and see what's in here. I'll show it to you real quick. Then I'll do a try on. And it looks pretty promising for fall colors. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my Stitch Fix try-on, unboxing try-on I should say. So I'm gonna show you guys what is here real quick and then we'll do a try-on. Let's see, with Stitch Fix, they have a $20 styling fee. I am stumbling over my words, but I'm just gonna keep going. $20 styling fee that is applied to anything that you purchase from that particular box. I want to see if I still have my stylist, Emma. Oh, this is the price sheet. Ooh. Let me see what the total of my box is. $282. That's not bad, I don't think, for 5 items. $280, well, it depends what they are. And that's before any discounts. If you keep all 5, you get a 25% discount. Shipping is always free. Emma, hey there, Barbara. Here's to keeping cute and cozy as the temperatures continue to drop in Virginia. Thanks for your request note. You'll find no gray, stripes, or kimonos in this cozy sheet fix. Okay, so I'll read the rest later. You also get a suggested style sheet. So let's see what's here real quick. Nice color. It's like a rust tie in the front. It's like, it's really lightweight. I don't know, could be a possibility. You never know till you try it on. I have learned that. Oh, this is a blouse. This material is just too cold for the winter. But if I love it, I'll make it work. So it's purple with some black buttons, black trim around the neck, around the sleeve. It's that stretchy material. Oh, this is cute. Brown with polka dots. Looks like just a lightweight sweater. Cute. Oh, this is nice. Vest with a hood. The hood is not detachable. Oh, it's got like the little stretchy on the side. Some little snaps. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, that looks nice. Let's see. That looks like it'll keep you warm. Keep your arms free. I'm not a big vest person, but I'm kind of opening up to it. This is actually pretty cute. Soft here. This is really cute. I'm real hopeful for this. This is my favorite so far. Oh, jeans. Jeans are always scary. What are these? Bootcut. Oh, a little distressing. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's get some try on. Okay, so I thought I'd start with my least favorite item and then work my way up to my favorite item. At least that's what I think, but I don't know. This is a really cute top. This is by, who is this from? Karl Lagerfeld, I think. This is a purple. It's cute. I like the neckline on this and the buttons, the black trim. I don't like these sleeves. These sleeves either need to be long or half, but this in between is not for me. Not because it's tight. I love the detail on here with the buttons, but it just feels like they're just not in the right place. And it's just a really odd feeling because you can't really pull them up. Well, that one you could. I don't know, it's just not a good feeling, but it's really a nice top. It really is. I like the detail on it. I like it a whole lot more than I thought. It's that, like I said, that stretchy material. And actually it's not too like cool as far as cold to wear. So this is a nice transition piece. This would be really pretty, I think, with a pair of black pants or a black skirt. Oh, a pencil skirt and some pointy high heels. Oh yeah, and a nice necklace. Yep, that's what this is for. But you know, it's nice. I like that it's not all flowy around the waist. This is the length, nice length. So this is a definite no, only because of the sleeves. I don't know, if they were a regular sleeve, I might consider this because it is cute. All right, let's talk about these jeans. These are pretty nice. They're by Can. I've never heard of them, but they are very, very nice. Let me back up. I like the distressing. It's not too much. I like that they are boot cut, and they, I don't know, they just fit for the most part pretty good, except they're mid-rise, and I need a high rise because I keep pulling them up. Pockets. Basic zipper, snap button. I mean, they're really cute. And they're not I can wear them with gym shoes. They're not too long. Or just put my heels on, then I'm ready to go. Let's see what's next. I don't know, this is pretty cute. Depends on the price, but it's nice and lightweight. I like the tie that it's on the side. At first I thought it was gonna be in the middle, and I don't care for it right in the middle of the top. So this is actually pretty cute. They call this a red, but this looks more like a rust to me. This does not look red, although I've been wrong before. But it's got, you know, it's got the nice cuff. The neckline isn't my favorite, but I like this. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's just the silhouette of it. It's a nice simple shirt that I could throw on with anything, black pants, denim. So as you can see, it does have the tie. I don't know. This is by Socialite. So this is pretty cute, I have to say. Okay, let's try on the vest. I don't know. This is pretty cute and it's warm. So, oh, wow. I don't even know where to begin with this. Okay, it does have the zipper pockets here. It has the, what do you call it? It's like a knit stretch on the side. It's a quilt, crisscross quilt. All right, let's see if I can zip this up. Oh, I feel it pulling on my hips. Oh, yeah, that's okay. Oh yeah, that works out. That's nice. This is nice. Okay, Emma, I like this. Shocker. Yeah, a vest. Shocker. All right, it has the hood. No strings. I don't know. Kind of liking this, and I'm surprised that I like it. All right, the inside is it Sherpa? Look at that. Oh, it's so soft. It is warm. I don't know. And it's in the hood. This is warm. This is nice. You can have your arms free. If I had a thick sweater on, put this over the top, I'm good. Especially like when you go to the grocery store and stuff and your arms are always, I don't like to feel all bogged down. So this, I don't know. I know Kayla at Kayla's Closet. She is a vest girl. So I don't know. Have you seen this one, Kayla? I think I'm coming around. This is really nice, very nice. I don't know if I showed it to you real well. It's got the snaps on the side. Are they working? Yeah, I guess if you need a little more room in those hips that I was talking about, there you go. You just unsnap a couple of the snaps and you're all set. Okay, I like this. Okay, let's see what's next. One more item. I really thought that this was going to be my favorite top, but it's not. But I like it, but I don't know if I'm crazy about it. This is by Absolutely, and it's very soft. It's really a nice soft material. So it's like a caramel color with the black dots, and they are kind of raised a little bit, it feels like. It's a really nice sweater. It's got a little bit wider neck, which I like, instead of the tighter neck. It's a nice length. It's got a nice little hem on the bottom of it. I mean, it's really cute. It's a great length. I'm just not sure how, this is not a good placement. No, I don't know. Probably nobody else would notice. Let's try it on with my new vest. Okay, it is cute with the vest. But I'm not gonna leave the vest on all the time. I don't know, it's kind of cute. But this sweater reminds me more of something that I would wear to work and not reach for just to wear on a day-to-day basis. I don't know. You know what? Let's look at the pricing. The pricing always tells the tale. No big surprise, I am keeping this. Mike is home today and he really likes this. So this is going to be a keeper. It is a keeper. It is $78. It's by Markle and Spruce. It is the Sherpa lined puff, and then it runs off. Let's see. Vest. Markle and Spruce. $78. I'm keeping it. Yes, please. Okay, the other keeper is the Socialite. This, I don't know, there's just something about it I really like. I just like the way it looks. And it is the Billie tie front brush knit top. It's $40, this is size small. The vest is a size small also. So just to keep these two items, it's $118 for just those two. If I were to add a third item, the jeans. Oh, let's see. The jeans are $58, very reasonably priced. This is a reasonably priced box, actually, by Can. And Can is spelled K-A-N and then C-A-N, never heard of them. They are the ivory bootcut mid-rise jean in indigo, size 6. They are snug, but they're mid-rise for $58. Now the problem is, these, they are low. I mean, they fit well, but they're very low. So when I do the sit down test, let's see. I'd have to constantly pull them up over my bum. Although I do like them, and $58 heels off seems pretty good. And then if I kept these three items, then it would be $176. So then the last, let's see. This shirt. Well, let's talk about this. I don't like this. I mean, I'm not keeping this. I will not reach for it. This is by Karl, Lagerfeld, Paris, deep purple, $68. No, thank you. I think if I still worked outside the home, I know I say that a lot. This would, I mean, I could see dressing this up with a pencil skirt and some cute pointy heels, put a jacket on. I mean, it would be nice. But it's not for me with my lifestyle now. So, and the price, no thank you. So this is a definite no. This top, I don't know. What do you guys think of this top? All of a sudden my screen looks dark for some reason. It's not like, I'm not gravitated towards it. How much is it? What is it? It is the absolutely marble crew neck pullover. Oh, it's only $38. $38. What is this material? It feels silky. Rayon and polyester. Machine wash. Machine wash. It's kind of cute. And I think it would look great with some black slacks. But I think I have cuter things that I like that I won't pull for. I could wear it just around the house, you know, just to be home, to keep warm. So for $38, if I added that, if I kept the jeans, because they are stretching out as I'm wearing them, and I'm not trying to talk myself into anything, $38 on top of that, that's $214. If I keep everything, all 5 items, my total is $211.50. So it would make sense to keep this and just sell it on Poshmark. I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with my gut. I don't wanna think too hard about anything. I wanna go with my gut, and my gut says keep this and keep only these two for $118 because I don't have a styling fee because I have the Style Pass, and send the rest back. Although no, the jeans have to go back. They're mid-rise. I would love these jeans in a high-rise. So I'm gonna have to request these. These are really nice. I like these a lot. They're not real thick, they're not real thin, they're the right length. I like the little bit of distressing and how it's kind of faded. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. What do you guys think? I'm keeping 2 items, returning everything else. So if you guys would like to try Stitch Fix, please use my referral code. Actually, it's my husband's referral code. I can't get any more referrals this year, but he can. And I think 2 of you guys used his link last time. Thank you so much. He was so shocked and surprised. He went to check out. He goes, I have $50 because he got 2 $25 credits. I'm like, oh, I shared your link for you. He's like, oh. So he told me to tell you thank you, whoever you are out there. Thank you, thank you. He was like shocked. I said, okay, now you have to do an unboxing on my channel. He goes, oh, I'm not doing that. So, but I'll leave his link. If anyone would like to use it, he will get a $25 credit, and so will you. So thank you so much. Everyone have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.